Go after it.
He's got his ass to me.
No, wait till he turns sideways.
What's that?
Wait till he turns sideways. Yep, now. Wait till he stops though. Yep, when you're ready. Not now.
No. Oh yeah, on the slip. Yeah, on the slip. See it? Shoot that off. Yep, shoot that off. Shoot again. No, you got him. No, you didn't shot them. Oh yeah, I see him now. Just take a shot. Wait for him to step out though. Yeah, wait for him to step out and take a shot. You can probably guess where the shoulder is. Yeah, cover it. If you're comfortable, that is. No, get down. He's down. All the way down by this pine tree here. He's going to come out right at the bottom. He's going to come right down by the bottom somewhere. See the tree again? Moving? No. Up the top. Ferns. Dead tree behind it. Oh, yeah. Boom. He just fell. He just fell. He is down.
Haha, good stuff.
You saw that fall, eh?
Bloody good one, mate.
Did you see it drop?
I didn't, but I saw the bushes move.
Oh, you saw the bushes move. That's what that matters.
Oh.
That means there's a third one in there somewhere.
There we have it. Next first stag.
Many more to come, hopefully. Oh, no, stay there.
Obviously the first person to shoot a stag here.
Clearly. It's tried and true, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, there's going.
7 points, is it?
Yep, that's it. 7-pointer.
Nice, good eater.
Oh man, awesome. Thanks for bringing me out.
Oh, you're welcome, mate.
I'm gonna stab in the back, aren't I? Lots of fun.
So that's where Nick shot from. And here's the tide boy there. The stag took off into that pile of scrub over there. Looks like you hit him good, boy.
What?
Looks like you hit him good.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
Man.
Blood and fur everywhere. Not bad.
Holy.
Fur all over the bushes.
That's great.
Similar wind, was it 300 wind mag or something?
Yeah, 300 wind mag short.
Jesus.
Makes a mess of shit.
That it does. Let's see. This is where he's fallen down. By the blood high up on there.
Hey mate.
There you go. There's gonna be a mongrel butcher in the steep bloody hill.
Or do we just throw it?
Good though. It's got a nice little posse where he is though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So you have your boy, Nick?
Yeah mate. Bloody wrapped. Not often you get to get out and see stuff like this, so.
Yeah. He's a big boy too, isn't he?
Yeah.
Where'd you hit him?
Oh, in the correct spot this time. Right there.
A meat saving spot.
Meat safe. Something like that.
Yeah, the old sweet spot.
Probably a bit far back, but oh, not too bad actually.
Yeah, you bled
Did the
heaps though.
Did the job, so you know, can't complain, can you?
Yeah. Oh, new Facebook profile photo?
Yeah, oh, I don't know, there's a couple of vegans on my Facebook.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
Well, I'm thinking that, but I got in trouble for having a Confederate flag in my room, so, you know, what of it?
So,
So it is. So there we have it. You know,
fucking well done. Good shooting.
better than the last one.
Everybody asking how I know. I probably demonstrated told me so.